Alright, we're back. So, I've had some technical difficulties. One, I think I was not recording my voice in the last two videos for episode 12. And two, I didn't have audio, or a recording the sound, background sound audio. So I think we're back in business there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to figure out what one of our issues we're having. Let's see, malformed URL exception, no price. So we have, it looks like data source. This is when we do our current value, our data source, the selected coin. Maybe this needs to be actually after we do the coins. So let's do that. Let's move this all down. No, it should be selected. Data, coin selected, currency selected, get. Let's do print. Does it print the URL at all? Nope. Let's print the URL or the string. URL string equals val URL string, and then we'll just pass this guy in here. Print URL string. Okay, getting current price. Let's try that out. See what the problem is. Oh, it probably just died right there. Getting current price, no. Okay. Coin. Exchange. Currency, and then exchange. Let's try that out and see what's being passed in. Coin, currency, exchange. Coin, currency, exchange. Yeah, let's just move this down because it's just really in the wrong place since it gets initialized again. Let's move this all the way down to after all of the adapters have been updated. All charts recycler view, initializing the chart style. This is probably okay. This is indicators recycler view. Could probably do it right here. Okay, save that and run it. There we go. Let's change this data source to comment these extra lines out. So I guess that was right, the ETH Gemini US dollar. And then we'll comment that out. What we'll do is we'll change to like Bitcoin, see if that changes. There we go, look at that. Indicators, that's still pushing it. So now I think we have this updated to what we want. GDAX. The prices, when we shift, it changes a little bit, but really, that's okay. I don't think that's something to, so once it changes, like, for example, that it turned green, but really, that's because the last price was like a low, it was a Bitcoin to ETH price. So what we're going to do for now is see if we can fix the visualization, because I think we pretty much, let's go to our to-do class. I think we added this done. 5/6/2018 and yep, we can just delete that. That's good. The current US dollar value, yeah, I think that's maybe something a little different. but for, let's look at the main activity. We have our linear layout. So yeah, let's go back to the design view. This is under the menu headers. Excuse me. In here, the width match parent, that's good, but then we have wrapping our contents, and then we have this idea of maybe having a drawer. I'm not sure. If we just remove this, it would have the indicators a little bit different. What's killing me though is the spinner. These guys, they do wrap content, which I want them to do, but there's some spacing that it just is kind of killing me in between. Maybe it should be on constraint layout, I swear. I'm really enjoying the constraint layout. I feel like that might be what we want to do. So this is like a try to update. This can be used to for another to do, really. So I think we're pretty much done with updating the price. I think we can call this done. I think the next thing really is updating our visualization. Let's move this down to done. To do attempt changing the menu to be constraint layout. Instead of horizontal, linear layout. To see if this improves spacing. Okay, I think this is the one thing I wanted to work on right now. So let's take a look at that. Let's try it out. Let's add in a constraint layout. So that would be a layout, constraint layout. And this is going to go not under menu header view. Okay. Vertical constraint. Okay, so this is going to be after, what is the menu on this one's? Where's the constraint? At the bottom of the swipe refresh layout. Menu header. CL constraint layout. Menu header view. And then this one was bottom of swipe refresh layout, so bottom to bottom, bottom to bottom, swipe refresh layout. And then let's look and see what we have here for a menu. Is that ever being used at all? Menu header view. So it's not used in any of the code, it's just used in the XML. So let's try, and we're going to move them factor.
You are listening to Dave.
I have the drawer. The drawer needs to be right there. And so this is going to be indicators, it's going to be constraints, right to the B drawer, and this is going to be right of the B indicators. It's going to be right of the I arrow. This is going to be the right of right to right. This should be right to left. It's going to be right to the right. Yes, right to right. Spinner time period. Spinner coin. Spinner exchange. And then right to right of the spinner base currency. What does it say? The view is not constrained vertically. Runtime will jump to the top unless you add a vertical constraint. What's the constraint for this guy? Swipe to refresh. None. Indicators are cycler view. Just the bottom to top. Spinner time period, right to right. Let's see what it looks like. For 21 a.m. that means I need to wake up Nicola in 15-ish minutes. Yeah, it might take a little while to change the XML files. Just seems to take a little while. Okay, it's built. Oh wow. Shit. We need to move this constraint layout. Swipe to refresh layout. Yeah, it looks like a big old mess. So drawer image, we need to probably put him under bottom to bottom of swipe to refresh. No? try that and see if that changes anything. Indicators. The right. Maybe the left. Maybe the left to the right of B drawer. Let's try that. Remove that one to none. Ah, there we go. Left to right. Left to the right of B indicators. None. Then left to right of arrow down. None. Then left to right of spinner time period. We're getting there. Left to right of coin time. Then left to right of exchange. Then the left to right of spinner base. And then we want to go and clean these guys up. The right to right. Remove. Right to right, none. Right to right, none. Right to right, none. Oops. Alright, so let's try that out. So our periods are a little bit off the spinners. So start of, maybe that needs to be removed. Bottom to bottom. Bottom to bottom. We need to remove this guy. That must be the problem. Somehow they got selected, I don't know why. Alright, and the view, bottom to bottom. Yeah, that should be okay. Let's run this, see what we got. And it does talk about background tint is only used in API level 21, our current minimum is 19. I don't know where we have background tint to look. Yeah, that doesn't look like it helps really at all. Because these still look like they're spaced out. Yeah, we're going to revert our changes. Let's go to the layout, main activity. It was cool try. Local history, show history. So we're going to revert. Because it just really didn't make any difference. Because you can see on the simulator there's still this gap in between like the GDAX and the US dollar. So I'm not really sure why that is, but like maybe we can do is there an outline or something? Background. Pop-up background. Yeah. See if we can change the color to like a pink or something. And or blue, press OK. And we'll just see if that does anything. Base currency. I think I wanted it to really be on the exchange because that's the one that really goes out wide. That's crazy. Let's undo. Let's change local history. Oh, that was the pop-up background. Maybe exchange type, we can change that to a different color. Try that out. That's going to be this background that I select. Still loading. Loading. Oh, history. color text, the background tint. Wonder if that does anything really. Now we're just messing with stuff. I'm getting a little off track here. Yeah, that didn't work. Yeah. That's okay. One issue we still have is this. When we change to something that has larger values, or maybe even like a larger name. Oh, the coin failed. Canadian? Let's try something else. Price. Yeah. Maybe that's okay that it overlaps. I'm not really too worried about it, because especially as like, especially when there are ones that are less large. So, yep, I think we can call that one done. We'll move this down. This is, yeah, that one didn't work. This is the 5/6/2018. We don't really care about having that. Custom settings for one hand. This is something that we don't really have settings right now, so don't think we have that. These guys, I'd say low value right now. Put them down here. Space between graphs. That was something that maybe we don't even want to do recycler view. We have this whole setup recycler view for our graphs. And that's so we can add them really nice. Chart list adapter. It is a pretty nice setup. It makes it pretty easy to add things. It is separated kind of nicely, but and it also has their swipe to refresh, which is super nice. Yeah, I don't think I have enough time to go into the spaces between. I really don't have enough time to go into any of the spaces between. Maybe we can just talk about what's the next thing. We can look at the spaces between graphs. I still think it will take a little bit to do. We can update the overlays to our second version, have drop downs, sliders, colors. That's style. I don't think that's necessary. I think really this could be released pretty soon. I think that there's a discussion we talked about having this. The indicators. I think the indicators was kind of having. It's kind of nice having this has indicators, unless we have like colored bar. If we had this different colors, like gray, it's ready to go. Green, or like red and yellow, like when it's loading. I think maybe that's what we'll do. Maybe we can do that real fast. Is we have our images drawable. Where is it? Let's open this up to our CryptoTA build app. Source, main, res, drawable. Come on, show them up. Menu white. Are these the same? Yeah, they're the same. Maybe we can open with this is exactly what we want, but we also want them to be different colors. You can open this up in Paint. Open. Oops. Drawable white. Open. Yeah, it's not gonna look not exactly what we want. Let's open up some Photoshop. Open up drawable. Oh great, quick access. This is a pain. Okay, perfect. CryptoTA app, source, main, res, drawable, menu white, open. And we want to change this to yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. File save as PNG. Menu yellow. Dang it, cancel. Yellow. PNG, save yellow. And then red. File save as red. Save. Perfect. Nope. Don't want to change it. So when the indicators are loading, we want to change it to yellow, and when they're done, we change it to white, and if it fails, it's red. And can we swap out we want to change the, let's open up search, image view, swap images, swapping images, image set resource. Okay, maybe that will be what we want to do. Look at the main activity. This is our drawer image, B drawer image view, and There's like loading. That's the B indicators, text view, B indicators. So B indicators. So do
Turn the pressure up.
so not text view, image view. Nope, B drawers. B drawer dot set image resource, and what do they do? Image resource would be r dot images drawable dot menu yellow. White. B indicators. We can do this too. B drawer dot image resource r dot drawable dot red menu red. Perfect. Let's try it. Loading. Indicators. There was a certain kind. CryptoTA, was it? Failed. Does this have? Coin failed. If the coin failed, coin in here, coin failed. Yeah, it doesn't show. Yeah, we can do this, but no. Oh, yeah, that crashed it. So we'll do to class. To do when coin fails, disable the indicators. Overlay indicators. And then we also want to remove indicator button, since we are going to use the drawer button instead, since that's already fixed. So when we finished, done, 5/6, 2018. Color drawer button. Color drawer button. That was pretty cool. Put that down here. Alrighty, so we did a pretty good job today. We did adding the current price. We attempted to do the constraint layout. Really, it didn't make a difference. Once we remove our indicators word, I'll show you on the. Once we remove our indicators, that says unavailable. That's nice, but we don't have. We don't want to allow the overlays to be there to show up. So once that's unavailable, disable the button, and you probably, when it fails, and stop loading animation. Yeah, so once we remove this when it's actually available, once this loading and the indicators tab is complete, we're going to just remove this, and that will give us more space over here. So I'm excited for that. So that's it. This is it for our episode 12. Till next time.